Everyone tells you, don't overtrade, don't revenge trade, walk away after a loss. We've all heard it many, many times, and we all know it. We might even have it on a sticky note next to our computer or laptop. And yet we still do it and wonder why. Well, here's the thing. It is not just discipline, it's also biology. Today I want to break down what's happening in your brain and what makes it so hard to stop trading even though you know you should. So when you take a loss, your brain doesn't see numbers, it sees danger. The amygdala fires, cortisol spikes, your heart rate jumps. It's the same survival system the humans used on the savannah when spotting a predator in the bush. Only today it's your P&L instead of a lion waiting to jump on you. Here's the cool twist. A winning trade gives your brain a shot of dopamine, the chemical linked to reward. But a losing trade creates a dopamine deficit. That's why your brain screams, get it back. It's the same loop that drives people to keep pulling the slot machine lever. But in trading, we call that chase revenge trading. So normally your prefrontal cortex, the rational part of your brain, makes the logical decisions. It's like your Wi-Fi router. When it's online, everything runs smoothly. But under stress, blood flow shifts away from it into the emotional part of the brain. It's like your Wi-Fi cuts out, and so does your trading plan at that moment too. Walking away feels impossible because your brain hates open loops. A loss feels like unfinished business to the brain. The amygdala keeps poking you, fix it now, and that's why sitting glued to the screens feels much safer than standing up, even though we logically know that's the best decision to make. Now let's get to the good part where we can talk about the solution. Although you can't find biology, you can reset it. Now let's go to the next slide where we can talk about practical reset techniques. Now let's go over the practical reset techniques. Point number 1, and I believe that's the easiest one to do, stand up and move. We need to get a coffee anyway, we need to go to the bathroom anyway. So why is it good? Because moving your body just lowers the cortisol levels. So get yourself an extra coffee, go another time to the bathroom. It's good for those levels to keep those in check. Then the second one, deep breathing or breathing techniques. Deep breathing tells your nervous system all the threats and that lion are gone. I think it's a very good thing to make it a daily habit to practice breathing techniques. So also use them before you start your trading day, but also in between. So it becomes more natural to get your body in that specific state because it really helps you and it really helps you calm your nerves and get you back and to rebalance. So make it a habit so it doesn't become something you only refer to when you are in a tense state. Point number 3, journal the loss. That might be a little bit challenging if you haven't done it before because you really need to get used to it. That means you journal the loss straight after you got the loss. And why is that important? Journaling that loss closes the mental loop so your brain doesn't need another trade to resolve the loss. Like I said, it might be a little bit weird, like, straight after the loss to go into journaling, but you will see it will really help you. It gives you clarity and it takes you away from the charts for a few seconds, and it closes that loop, like I said. Then the last one, the walkaway timer, is a tip that I got from some other traders. And they set their timer just to walk away, if they're not in a trade, obviously, on set times. They go for a walk, they just walk away from the charts, and they just reset themselves, and they get back to the charts much fresher and recharged again after the specific time that they take for themselves. It's the same way, it's the same thing to lower those cortisol levels and to just reset already and just stay in a positive state all day for a full trading day. So those are the points for the practical reset techniques. I hope they will help. So, revenge trading isn't weakness, it's about wiring. The brain reacts to losses as to threats, pushes us to chase dopamine, and shuts down our rational side. But once you know what's going on inside your head, you can outsmart it by using different reset techniques. And remember, besides building your technical knowledge, do enough journaling, backtesting, building your model. You have to master your brain in order to master your full trading. That's it for today. I hope this helped, and I hope to see you in the next video.